Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to auto scroll on TikTok. So to get started, first of all, make sure you are logged into your TikTok account, and once you are done with it, go back to your For You page, and there on the screen, long press on it, and as you can see the option auto scroll, simply tap on it, and once the video is finished it will be simply auto scrolled by itself. You can also go back to manual scroll. So that's all guys, this is how easily you can auto scroll on TikTok. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.